G'day, I'm Bart, and in this video, I'm going to break down the differences between the three ensuite shower tents. I'm going to speak about the features and the use cases of the Ensuite Single, a single-room shower tent, the Ensuite Double, a double-room shower tent, and then the Ensuite Triple, a three-room shower tent. All right, so let's get started. So this is the Ensuite Single shower tent. It is great for use at home or if you're going camping by yourself because it's a small, easy, convenient solution. It has the instant frame mechanism, which means you can set it up by yourself, and it measures 150 centimeters wide by 150 centimeters deep, and then 205 centimeters tall. So you've got heaps of room inside here to have a shower and to change. And you also get guy ropes on every corner of the tent, included with pegs, which means that you can secure the tent from every corner and have it set up for a long time and not have to worry about it. All right, so let's check out the inside of the tent. So now that we're inside the Ensuite Single shower tent, let's look at what we have here. So on the opposite wall to the door, we have a window which we can open it up, and it's covered by a mesh screen. So we can look outside and have a nice view, and also it's used for ventilation in case the shower is just a little bit too steamy. We also have a dry zone, which we can zip up. And this is where we're gonna hang our clean clothes and a towel so we can dry up after the shower. And we also have access to the outside of the tent in case we want to control something or grab a beer. Now looking at this wall, we have mesh pockets and storage for shampoo, soap, and anything else we want to hang. We also have a pocket in the bottom corner for putting any other additional items. We also have an entry point from the outside of the tent in case we want to run our hot tap shower hose from our hot tap directly into the tent so we can have a nice shower experience. Looking at this wall, we have a laundry bag, and this is where we're going to put our dirty clothes and maybe any snacks in case we get hungry. And then finally, we have another pocket for storage. Now looking at the ceiling, we have two spots where we can open up the ceiling for ventilation on this side and on this side. And this is a really nice way to have a shower and look at the stars at night. Looking at the floor, we can see that we have mesh running around the outside of the floor, and that's to drain the water from the inside of the shower tent so it doesn't get all clogged up here. And then if we want to drain any excess of water that's built up here, we can just pull on this tab. If you want to upgrade your Ensuite Single shower tent, you can go into the Joolca website and get the optional accessory Rainfly, which will protect your tent from rain. So this is the Ensuite Double shower tent. It's a little bit bigger than the Ensuite Single shower tent in that it has two rooms, where primarily one room will function as the wet room where you would shower, and then one room would be the dry room where you would get changed. So it's perfect for use, at home. Let's say you have a swimming pool and you want to have a temporary shower set up where people can shower and then get changed. It's also really good when you're doing renovations at home and you want to have a shower set up outside. The same setup is really good for when you're going camping because you can have a shower and then a dry room. And even better if you're taking your family with you, you can actually set up a portable toilet inside the dry room. So now you have a toilet and a shower station. And now looking at the outside of the tent, we have a holder over here where we can hang our clothes or towels. So let's say you finish showering and you want to hang your towel to dry off. We also have guy ropes in every corner of the tent so we can peg it down to make sure that it doesn't fly away. And then the tent measures 110 centimeters deep, 200 centimeters wide, and then 210 centimeters tall. So if you're going to go camping when it's going to be raining and you're worried about rain coming into the top of the tent when you have the windows open, you can actually get the Joolca Rainfly accessory from the Joolca website, and you can put it over the top of the tent, and that'll still allow you to have enough ventilation so you can open up the top roof windows and let all the steam out if you're having a nice warm shower. So this is the Ensuite Triple shower tent. It has 3 separate rooms, which makes it perfect for use for long stay camping and when you're bringing your family out into the bush. It's split up into 3 rooms by having 2 rooms on this half of the tent, 1 wet room for a shower, 1 dry room for a portable toilet. And then on this side of the tent, we have another room which spans the entire depth of the tent, and it serves the purpose of being used for a laundry storage, a toiletry storage, or even as a change room. So the Ensuite Triple shower tent is 200 centimeters deep, 275 centimeters wide, and 210 centimeters tall. And it has the same instant up frame as the Ensuite Single and the Ensuite Double, which means that you can put it up all by yourself. And finally, we have guy ropes in every corner of the tent so you can pin it down and it won't fly away. If you want to upgrade your Ensuite Triple shower tent, you can get the Ensuite Triple awning kit from the Joolca website and as an optional accessory, and that'll allow you to protect the tent from the rain and get some more space in the front of the tent. So here we have the 3 Ensuite tents packed up into their bags. We have the Ensuite Single, the Ensuite Double, and the Ensuite Triple. And you can see from the comparison that they are all roughly the same size, but they are just that little bit different. So the Ensuite Single is 110 centimeters long, 17 centimeters high, and 17 centimeters wide. Whereas the Ensuite Double it's also 17 centimeters high and 17 centimeters wide, but it's a little bit longer and it's 115 centimeters long. Now the Ensuite Triple, this is the biggest bag, and this is 120 centimeters long and 25 centimeters high and 25 centimeters wide. So in the bottom of the tent, you have this zipper section that runs along the entire base, and you can unzip it. And as you unzip it, there's an extra bit of material that will essentially expand the size of the bag. All right, so I hope this video was useful in helping you decide which shower tent is right for you. Happy camping!